Hello students. So in this video we are going to learn about the male reproductive system from front view. जो फ्रंट से है वहां से मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम कैसे ड्रॉ किया जाता है और कैसा दिखता है तो वो हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. So let's draw the diagram first. In this diagram, I'm going to separate the two testes and the scrotums so that the diagram will be easy to understand. हमें पता है although कि जो scrotums हैं वो connected होती हैं एक दूसरे से, but in this diagram I'm going to separate them so that our diagram will be easy to understand. तो ताकि हम easily इसको understand कर पाएं, इसलिए जो scrotums हैं उनको सेपरेटली ड्रॉ करूंगा, एक दूसरे से डिस्टेंस पे ड्रॉ करूंगा. The scrotums here. Let's place testes in them. So these is the testes. These two are the testes. Let's label that first. So this is our scrotum. These is testes. After that, as I have told you, that there is a structure behind the testes. So behind the testes वो जो structure होता है, जो testes से बाहर निकल रहा होता है, that structure is epididymis. So I'm going to draw that structure here. This is epididymis. Epididymis. So this structure is epididymis. Epididymis. So epididymis टेस्टिस में से निकलता है. उसके बाद इसके यहाँ पर एपिडिडाइमिस के अंदर हमारे स्पर्म्स स्टोर्ड रहते हैं, as I have told you. उसके बाद जो एपिडिडाइमिस है, it continues into a tube-like structure which goes up in the abdominal cavity of males. Here, like this. These tubes are going to be inside in the abdominal cavity. So ये जो tubes हैं ये abdominal cavity के अंदर जा रही होती हैं. इन ट्यूब्स को जब ये जो ट्यूब है एपिडिडाइमिस से, ये जो ट्यूब हमारी abdominal cavity के अंदर चली गई, the tube descends in the abdominal cavity through this ignual canal. I have told you this is the ignual canal. So through the ignual canal, this is the ignual canal. So this from the ignual canal, the tubes which ascends in the abdominal cavity is known as vas deferens. Vas deferens. After that, there's a structure in our abdomen which is urinary bladder. Which is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. And there is the tube which comes from the urinary bladder, and that tube joins with vas deferens here. The tube joins with vas deferens here. And उसके बाद ये जो ट्यूब होती है हमारी from the urinary bladder that continues like this. So जब ये ट्यूब है, जब ये जॉइंट हो जाती हैं, जब हमारा वास डिफरेंस और जो यूरिनरी ब्लैडर की जो ट्यूब है वो ज्वाइन हो जाती है तो उस ट्यूब को हम नया नाम दे देते हैं. एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट ट्यूब इज नोन एज urinogenital duct. That duct is known as urinogenital duct. So urinogenital duct, ये वास डिफरेंस है, इससे ज्वाइन हो गया यूरिनरी ब्लैडर के थ्रू और ये एक कॉमन पैसेज बन गया फॉर यूरिन एंड द स्पर्म्स. और इस कॉमन पैसेज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? urinogenital duct. Then there is a small swelling between the vas deferens here. There's a small swelling over here, and that swollen part of the vas deferens, we are going to give a new name to it. That new name will be the ampulla. This is ampulla. Okay, so this is the ampulla. After that, from the ampulla there is a structure that connects, which is tubular gland like structure which connects to the ampulla, which is known as seminal vesicles. This structure is known as seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. This is the structure over here. After that, we are going to draw the copulatory organ also. So here is the copulatory organ which comes like this. This part is known as penis. So I'm going to label it here. This part is known as penis. In the penis, there is a swollen structure, swollen tip or a structure, which is known as glans penis. So this is the swollen structure, which is known as the glans penis. This is the glans penis. Glans penis. And after that, the glans penis ends with the urinogenital opening, a slit-like opening. This is the urinogenital duct. So this ends, and this slit-like opening is the end of urinogenital duct. So this is the slit-like opening of urinogenital duct. So this swollen tip is known as glans penis, and there is also a layer of skin over the penis, which we call as foreskin. This is known as foreskin. This is over the tip. This foreskin is also known as prepuce sometimes. So loosened skin over the tip is known as foreskin. Also, there is an organ, a gland over the penis. As I have understood these all parts, there is a structure over the penis. So after that structure will be drawn, हम इसका जो बैक एरिया है वो नहीं देख पाते. तो जो जनरली जो पेनिस होती है उसके अंदर जो ये एरिया होता है वो कवर्ड होता है बाय अ ग्लैंड, और उस ग्लैंड की वजह से हम ये एरिया को नहीं देख पाते. टू सी दैट एरिया वी नीड टू रिमूव दैट ग्लैंड. So I'm going to draw that gland as we have understood all of the terms here. So that gland is like this over here. That gland is known as prostate gland. One more structure which we need to label, and that is this duct. The vas deferens after the ampulla is known as ejaculatory duct. जब इसके अंदर सोलन टिप के बाद की जो डक्ट होती है, जो एम्प्यूला के बाद की डक्ट होती है, और जब यूराइनोजेनाइटल से ये मिल रही होती है तो इसको हम बोलते हैं ejaculatory duct. this is basically the whole structure of a male reproductive system. In our next video, we are going to discuss about the importance of all of these glands and ducts like seminal vesicle, urinary bladder, ampulla. इनके functions क्या होते हैं, ये क्यों present होते हैं, क्या secretions इनकी होती हैं, ये हम अपनी next video में पढ़ेंगे. So if you like this video, then do like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.